Everything on that car has been teared. Look at that.
Just a Zulu man.
It's crazy out there, bro. Let's see what's happening with this animal. What's this? It's a bear. That's a bear. Yes, sis. How did the bear even know how to open the door, bro? Bears these days are fully functional, bro. Damn. Oh. He got beat. He got beat. Crocodile. Ooh. It's a lizard, bro. It's a lizard. No one is singing. Come on, bros. Wake up, bro. Wake up. Act in peace, man. Ooh, he just saw it. He just saw it. Even the man is running this thing. It's even opening the door, bro. Ooh, I have a bad feeling with this one. Oh! Why are you parking there, dude? Why are you parking here? You can't park here, bro. You can't park here, bro. These bulls are strong. Look at this thing, bro. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Let me show you like this, cause you can see. Look at this thing. Look at how big this thing is. Look at how destructive this thing is. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It teared everything. Everything on that car has been teared. Look at that. Ooh. Damn. Do this lizard even eat people, bro? There's even a cat there. It's like, this is not my business, lady. Oh, it's out. Just like the other time, bro. It went in and out. Ooh,
in
monkeys.
March 2020, Thailand witnessed an unexpected invasion. Hundreds of monkeys poured into the streets, forming aggressive gangs and battling each other over scraps of food as tourism came to a halt.
Damn. Oh, tourism came to a halt, so they cannot be fed anymore. So they decided, no, what, we're going to form our own gang, go to the street and feed ourselves. Oh, this is the strangest. This is the strangest invasion ever. Imagine getting beaten by this, bro. So what's happening with this one?
A woman relaxing in a hammock with her child had no idea that
That's
an uninvited guest had quietly slipped through
Grab
her
the
open
baby,
door.
bro. Grab the baby. Grab the baby and run. See the thing with not having doors. Look now. That's a python, bro. Oh, it's turning away. All these animals, they just go in and turn away. This is why you should be having cameras. I don't know, cameras should be doing some kind. Holy shit.
Meanwhile, in Florida, alligators are a common sight. But the sheer size of this particular one left bystanders in stunned silence.
Ooh. I don't think anyone is surviving this, bro. Look at the size of this thing. Yeah. Ooh. What did I do, bro?
2022 brought chaos when a leopard escaped from a wildlife reserve. It didn't take long for the situation to spiral into a wild encounter.
Bro, everyone need to grab their guns and hunt for this thing. A whole cow. Imagine if you have like a 3-year-old
In Colombia,
running
a
around
small
the store.
shop found itself in the direct path of some runaway cows. The chaos they left behind was unreal. Not a single item remained on the shelves, and the bovine intruders showed no intention of leaving anytime soon.
Damn. Bro, all I could think of when I'm looking at this is what if there is a kid there, like a 3-year-old kid. They will be crushed to death. What's coming here? What's coming
Back in
here?
2018, as forest fires raged through Oregon, animals fled in all
This looks
directions.
like the
Lauren Taylor
wild
set up
cats,
a water
bro.
fountain near her home to help, only to discover a mountain lion curled
Oh,
up
yeah, this
behind
is a
her
mountain
couch,
lion, not
fast
cat.
asleep.
I think they're trying to scare it off. This is why you should be having a gun, bro. Take this thing off. What do they? Oh, it's a crocodile. Why did they skip it? Why did they skip it?
A peaceful drive through the California woods took a wild turn when a curious bear attempted to open a car door with its
Bro.
teeth.
没东西给它吃。哇！
Why is the car door not locked, bro? The car door is supposed to be locked all the time, especially when you are moving. When you are not moving your car. Holy shit. And these glass are not safe. If this is someone's home, then these glasses are not safe.
In South Africa, homeownership comes with its own challenges.
This is here.
Without a tall fence, you might just come face to face with a wild animal stepping into your yard.
Everybody need a gun here, bro. Damn. This is a moose. I think they call it a moose. And the dog is tied. It cannot do anything. Oh, damn. This is why you come out with your gun and take it off. These are what polar bear again, or snow bear, something like that.
In the icy north, a family of polar bears decided to pay someone's home a visit, drawn in by sheer curiosity.
Damn. This is a big. This what? These are big lions, bro. Imagine your kid open the door, running.
Meanwhile, in Montana, a cougar and her cubs kept returning to the same house, as if they were considering moving in, one cautious step closer each day.
Damn. Yo, what is
In
this
Uruguay's port city of Punta del Este,
That's a
sea
sea-
lions usually stick to the docks. But one bold
Damn.
sea lion named Roberto decided to sprawl out on a parked car for a well-earned nap.
now? Look at the car, bro. It just went down. Bro. Sea lion. I thought this was it's a seal or a sea lion, whatever it is.
Realmente con una fuerza increíble, por eso lo ha abollado un poco al auto. Así que bueno, todos filmando y sacando fotos al auto con el lobo marino arriba.
Damn, this thing has some weight. Another moose. Moose or moose. This thing looks to be violent, bro.
He almost charged that car.
He did almost charge the car.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I said it, bro. These things are violent.
Oh my god.
Chasing it.
A typical
Ooh.
morning in Nepal turned into a surreal
I
scene
didn't expect this
when
one,
a
bro.
massive rhinoceros casually walked into
I
town,
didn't expect this one.
inspecting its surroundings like it owned the place.
Where does it live? Look at the lower body, bro. It's like it's living in the water or something. It's always soft. Oh, they have dogs. That's a moose. This is also a moose or a moose. These things are violent, right? I didn't know they're violent. What do we have here? What do we have here? A bear.
One car owner learned a hard lesson. Always lock
bro.
your doors.
Bears know how
A
to
curious
open
bear
doors.
broke into the vehicle and made itself right at home.
Bears know how to open doors, bro. From inside and from outside. Take the plastic out. Look, all the doors. Everything, bro. What do we have here? What is this now? That's a lizard.
Ushi, bye.
That's a lizard, bro.
Go. I'm afraid I'm going to have to eject you if you carry on like this.
What are they doing to the crocodile now? Why are they pulling
In
it out?
Gujarat, India, after heavy monsoon rains, the Vishwamitri River overflowed, sending thousands of crocodiles slithering into the city streets.
Thousand.
This footage shows one being carefully rescued by wildlife workers.
Thousand. That's a crazy number, bro. Thousand. Oh, what's here? What do we have here? Oh, why did I even think the class could hold this, bro? Why do they even think a class dog could hold this back? That's a cow with horns, bro. And it's going back in.
Winter gatherings of grackles in North America
what the hell's
are a
this
familiar
now?
sight, but this enormous flock swarming a parking lot had onlookers both mesmerized and mildly terrified.
Damn. It's a wild invasion. It looks like the monkey one.
In 2020, the quiet Welsh town of Llandudno
kind of a
got
goat is
some
this?
surprise
Mountain goat?
tourists. About 20 mountain goats wandered in and made the place their home for nearly a week.
I've never seen mountain goat in a city, bro. I always see pictures of them in the mountain, not the city. Like they occupied for the entire week. That's crazy. Oh, damn. Now this is a very, very, very tight scene. You know, these two things don't move. Once they start doing like this, they don't move. Look at the breath on the floor.
ये देखिए लोगों ने पानी भी घेरा है। ये जयपुर का आलम दिखा रहा हूँ मैं, जयपुर की मेन सड़कों का जहाँ पर ट्रैफिक जाम हो गया है। देखिए गए, ये देख सकते हैं आप। देखिए जनता भी भाग रही है, गाड़ी भी भाग रही है। ये देखिए किस तरीके से ये कोई भी पीछे हटने को तैयार नहीं। ये देखिए ये दोनों में से टस से मस होने को तैयार नहीं। ये देखिए किस तरीके से भागा है। और ये
They're crashing into people. Mountain lion again.
Things took a wild turn in Sao Paulo when a jaguar began sprinting
Oh,
through
the
the city's
jaguar.
streets,
I don't even know the difference.
transforming a quiet neighborhood into a scene straight out of a wildlife documentary.
Oh, damn it. The tiger. This is one animal I didn't expect to see. My internet is gone again, just like that. Bro, I was having some fun time here. And the light automatically came. I think this is why you have like a camera that detects objects. What do we have here? What do we have here? What is that? That's a human. Ooh, it's a cow. Ah, damn. Ooh, the door is not opening. The door is not
And
opening.
finally, traffic came to a complete standstill
What's
when
this?
two massive moose stepped into the road, captivating everyone who happened to be watching the spectacle unfold.
Bro, the commentator is doing what now? He's drunk. This is not a moose. I think they switched this with the moose that was attacking in the road. Oh, damn, he's having a meal. It's not bothering anyone. He's just having a meal. What's here? Looks like a, oh, it's a crocodile. It's like a small crocodile. No, it's an alligator. Look at the walk. That's an alligator, bro. Can't convince me otherwise. Bro, that's all. Think I've seen enough. Think I've seen enough. Why am I even having this chat box here? Keep subscribing to this channel, bro. Let's see what video we're going to react to next up. Let's